Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thymmai Old Beat House Shillong.
Uba Vincent H. Pala MP ke Lok Sabha menhakas ngisat jain ke arpu pratarik unail ber arajar arpu way ula Plie ba ye ke building ba Thymmai Jong ke Saint Francis D. Assisi College ha Siejlieh Noston hagani ke ngili don langru u Most Reverend Victor Lingdo Archbishop Jong ke Shillong Archdiocese ula shim ye ke benta ban kurku kerdo ya kani ke yeng building Jong kani ke college hagani ke ngini ke liang Jong brother Herman Wanyang aba ajing kran ka jingilang Plie ye ka tega building Jong ka college ula penkan mau ye ka jingyai lenti Jong ka Saint Francis D. Assisi College nadu balas dang nengkong ya ka college house nem arajar shipho da ka bashupundan kamlang ye ka jo ka building Jong ki higher secondary Kumta leng ba ka jing penyat Jong ka Franciscan Missionary Brothers of Northeast India lala ban penyo ye ka building ba Thymmai Jong ka tega college ka badai ne ka benta ka degree course Jong ki papuli ha ka line arts kiwai de ki ba dan lang ha ka ni ka sngi ki kanthop ya usordar Jong ka snong Siejlieh uba H tempoin u brother Colinsius Wanyang principal u MDC ka than uba Gabriel Walang ki kme ki pa Jong ki khna school but kiwai
But then Bishop was asking, you brothers, you are here, you can do, and please start a college for the people of West Khasi Hills. And with that, we thought, yes, we can. If others can do, why can't we? And we did it. And right from the beginning, in 2010, on the 1st of July, when we started the degree college, when we had only 8 students, and that also not regular. They were not coming. So professors, most of the time, they were free because no students. But as we proceed ahead, then today I am very proud to say that a good number of students have passed out from this college. So I would say it's a big contribution from the part of the Franciscan Missionary Brothers to this society. And if we say why a college in Nostoi, when we have only one, why the next one? But then, most of the time, it's very difficult even to get admission.
Hapadeng ganosnam, chitosnam, kani ka college kala penkalador, transform whole of this village, not only this village, whole of Nostoi area. And then that was I admire. This college become the light of other part of this area, because the presence of the Franciscan brothers. One thing I admire are the Franciscan brothers, because they follow the founder, peace. Francis Assisi is a man of peace, world famous, a man of peace. He prayed to God, Lord, make me a channel of your peace, of your love, of your hope, of your forgiveness. And all the brothers, somehow I associate with them, they become same instruments like Francis Assisi. I used to go with Brother Tunehu to beg from the authority there, please recognize this college. Sometimes they scolded us, and they shouted at us. I pretend not to hear. After shouting, they asked us, please bless me, Bishop. So like that also we experienced. But anyway, because we are patient, we try to work hard together with brothers and this college, what it is now. See, congratulations, brothers, for this beautiful building. Yet to complete soon. I know Brother Herman will complete in no time, before maybe ending of 2-3 months. So we are grateful. Congratulations for this building, for this college, and continue to work hard to transform the life of our people, especially in order to transform our people, there is no other way except education.
We need education. We don't need knowledge, but we need education. And we have rightly chosen college to be here in the heart of West Castles. This college is an assets for our people in Khasi and Siejlieh especially, and in Meghalaya as a whole, and Northeast as a whole. I've seen so many students from Assam. I'm very happy to see that all of them doing very well. So, congratulations for the big building. I think Father Herman was too generous to say that I've given it. This building will cost you not less than 3 crores. And my donation not even 10% of it. So, but nevertheless, I feel very blessed to be amidst all of the brothers and sisters, especially this fund was given here not by me. Bishop Victor, when he was Bishop of Namstoin, he gave me 1.2 or 1.3 crores. He said, Pala, this is required the priority I have in West Castles. I just signed it. Today when they said how much you given her, I didn't remember because it's all written by Bishop and I just signed it. So Bishop has been his priority, not only here, even in Jong also. So I think Bishop, Archbishop now, he's always a priority for the education. I always think that until unless the society are educated, it's difficult to survive. We can be empowered, we can be self-sustained only if we have a real education. And I can say that the Catholic is the church which has given education all over India. Church has done a human's job for the education for our people all over India. But I'm sorry to say that until unless we all realize, we all work together, especially the West Castles, I always think that we need to change the social engineering. We have to do a lot. We have to do a lot. But in the future, if everything goes well, Namstoin will be connected to Ramrai, to Chinatown. Namstoin will be connected to Ranikor. Namstoin will be connected to Mount Indian, right away to Ranikor. So within a span of 10-15 years, Namstoin will be the hub of the West and be a center because West Castles has got minerals, West Castles has got uranium, West Castles has got coal, West Castles has got timber, West Castles has got, we can link direct from Guwahati airport up to Bangladesh through a Namstoin. So in the future, this college will be an asset to produce so many, not only educationists, businessmen. I hope one day MP will be from this college, politicians, brothers, here so many brothers are here, sisters, and I'm sure that when brothers started this, it was only, the real college started 5-6 years only. What I want to request the fathers is, the brothers is, we are no more than BA, BF, BSc. Now it is an era of technology. I will support you, brother. I can link you with the people who will provide technology. We need students in cyber security. We need students, we have to evolve ourselves to compete, to sustain. Now, if we only teach BA, we produce so many students, most of them will join the organizations which unwanted organizations. When we have so many educated people, when we don't give them an opportunity, it's difficult because now things have changed. We should teach for the students who they can get job. We can teach students who they can get, we can be employed.